Perpendicular, in the same plane crossing at 90 degrees. Parallel lines are lines which, quote, lie in the same plane, end quote, and never touch or cross. A plane, in geometry, is a perfectly flat surface, infinitely thin and continuing in all directions forever. Geometry teachers will often use a wall of the classroom to illustrate to students what a plane is. To, quote, lie in a plane, end quote, means to be perfectly flat, to exist in 2 dimensions, not in 3 dimensions. Parallel lines exist in 2 dimensions. If either of the parallel lines was skewed, even slightly, then the lines would exist in 3 dimensions. The symbol for parallel lines is what looks like a vertical equals sign. The rough opposite of parallel might be perpendicular. Perpendicular lines lie in the same plane and cross each other at exactly 90 degrees. Think of a, quote, plus sign, end quote, or the symbol for the red cross, the red plus symbol. An, quote, x, end quote, does not represent perpendicular lines, as we do not write an x with lines that cross at 90 degrees. While it will have to be explained more later, parallel lines have the same slope and perpendicular lines have slopes which are the negative reciprocal of one another, parentheses, change the sign and flip the fraction, end parentheses. Perpendicular means to exist in the same plane and cross or intersect at 90 degrees. Antonyms: parallel. Related words: 90-degree angle, intersect, slope, negative reciprocal.